Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to creatine loading phase. Creatine loading is a strategy to quickly fill your muscle stores with creatine, helping you see benefits faster. This initial phase usually spans about 5 to 7 days, preparing your body for enhanced performance. It's a straightforward process designed to maximize your creatine levels efficiently, setting the stage for improved strength and power during your workouts. During the loading phase, you'll aim for 20 grams of creatine each day. It's best to split this into 4 separate servings of 5 grams each. Try to space these out evenly throughout your day to optimize absorption. You can easily mix your creatine powder with water, juice, or any carbohydrate-rich beverage. This consistent intake helps rapidly saturate your muscles, preparing them for the maintenance phase. Once your loading phase is complete, you'll shift to a maintenance dose. This typically involves taking 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily. This smaller, consistent dose is crucial for sustaining the elevated creatine levels in your muscles. Creatine is well known for improving high-intensity exercise performance, helping you push harder. It can also contribute to muscle growth and enhance your recovery after tough workouts. While creatine is generally safe, it's vital to stay well hydrated, especially during the loading phase. Always drink plenty of water throughout your entire creatine cycle. Before starting any new supplement regimen, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust your intake if necessary to ensure the best and safest experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.